Alright guys, good morning. So I already detached the one ribbon cable in here. This one you just like open like this, like that, and then also going up. So that's how we remove this. Okay. Alright, now we can detach the beacon board. Alright guys, so this is small main board. So see, at the back, that's the back portion. So I think we cannot repair this component by component because see, small parts. So we have to purchase a new T-con board in order to check if this is good or not. So first we have to clean this ribbon cable first and then check again. Alright guys, see, so as you remember, the vertical lines is missing here on this portion, on the right portion. So here, this portion is the vertical lines is missing, but here on the left side it has lines on the left side but missing in the right side. So there is a problem here somewhere in this connection, or this T-con board is a problem. So we'll try to clean the ribbon cable guys. Alright guys, so I'm going to clean the ribbon cable using the cotton buds with alcohol, this one. So I'm going to clean it now. Alright, we'll clean this one. The other one. Also this one. Alright. Also here, we will detach this and also clean this one. Remember guys, this is the portion that there are no vertical lines, but if we press it, there are lines will come up. Okay, we put some alcohol. Here guys, you see, guys, there is a discoloration you see guys, one of the ribbon cable, there is a discoloration. This one guys, so it means either the lead display has a problem or the T-con board. You can see the discoloration. Okay, but we'll try to clean it and try to install back to the position and test. But I suspect that there is a problem with the display because of the discoloration. So either the T-con board or the display has a problem. Okay, but still we'll try to clean this one and test. Alright guys, see guys, there is a discoloration on this portion, this one, and see the cotton buds very dirty because something like burning in this portion. Okay, but we'll proceed the cleaning and we'll test if it will correct the problem. Alright guys, so I already cleaned the ribbon cable here and also the ribbon cables here. I already cleaned, and here this portion we found out that there was a burn, there was a spark in this area. Okay, so it may be the LED display has a problem or the T-con board. Okay, but still we will try to test, we'll try to turn on because I already finished cleaning these ribbon cables. Alright guys, so let's see. Alright guys, so see, I already installed back the ribbon cables on the T-con board. Okay, see, all the lights here are lighting guys, here with all lights, and looks like we hit a jackpot because the vertical lines disappears, which means we have repaired the TV. Alright, so the problem was on this ribbon cable, there on that portion there was a spark, and that spark causing a dirt, so it loosened the connections from the T-con board on this portion. That's why there was this vertical lines. But guys, after I clean all the ribbon cables, especially this one with the discoloration cable, the vertical lines disappears, which means we have repaired the TV and we have hit the jackpot. Yes, alright guys, so that was the problem guys. It's not the T-con connector or the T-con board, but only the dirt on the one of the ribbon cable, one of the T-con cable. Okay, only the dirt, right? So we will check. Okay guys, see, there is no vertical lines, but it has raster guys. Only that the raster is vague because it's against the light. Okay, but there was a raster already. Okay guys, so this is a good indication that you are able to repair this unit. Okay, we'll try to turn off, and then see guys, we'll turn on. See, turn off, turn off, turn off. See, turn on. Right, there is a raster already. Okay guys, so we have hit the jackpot and we are able to repair this 47 inches 47 inches yeah. Okay, so we are able to repair this 47 inches LG Smart TV. Okay guys, so I honestly I pick up this TV on the garbage because someone just threw it away, because maybe he thinks the owner that it cannot be repaired, so he just threw it on the garbage. So because this is one of my passions, so I take it and bring back here, or I took it and I brought it here at home, so try to repair or troubleshoot, because this is my hobby and my passion, because you know, I am an electronic graduate, so This is one of my passion. So I tried to repair this one, but I'm not expecting that I can repair it, because most of the problem of the vertical lines are the T-con connector, or usually the T-con board. So in this case, as I've shown you earlier, there was just a spark on this ribbon connector, and I just cleaned it with casino rubbing alcohol. Okay guys, so I just clean all these ribbon connectors down here on the microprocessor unit here, somewhere here. This is the microprocessor unit. Okay, so it was a jackpot guys, because we are able to repair this 47 inches smart TV without spending a cent or a dime. It's totally free. So it's just an effort. It's just that my effort has paid out. Okay, so very nice. Now this TV is working properly now for sure. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe, and stay updated. I will upload more videos related to IT and electronics. Thanks for watching guys. Have a good day and see you on my next video. Bye guys. Bye.